Students, let us talk about the last category of festival, that is special festivals. We have already discussed that national festivals are like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. We have different religious festivals which are celebrated by Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Parsis, Jains and Buddhists. We have also different type of festivals like the cultural festivals of harvest festivals. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth category of festivals, special festivals. What are special festivals, children? These are festivals which are celebrated in different states and they are organized by the state government to attract tourists. Now what does it mean? It means that the state government, the government ruling in that state, they organize these type of festivals because people will be attending that festival, people will be coming for that festival and naturally the government will earn some financial benefits. Okay, like we know that we have discussed about La Tomatina, that is also a special festival celebrated in Spain. So this type of festivals are celebrated. They are organized by the state governments, okay, to attract tourists to the state. Naturally, more and more people will be coming to the state and that will of course benefit the state government. Now, some of the festivals are Tulip Festival in Jammu and Kashmir. Tulip Festival is a flower and that there are gardens of tulips in Kashmir. It's as you know, it is known as the heaven on earth and it is a beautiful state with a different scenic beauty where you have the Himalayan range and the beautiful different type of flowers and trees growing. So Tulip Festival is organized by the state government or means the Jammu and Kashmir in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Desert Festival in Rajasthan, as you know, third desert, Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is rich in different cultural heritage, different forts are there, palaces which attract tourists all over the world. And because of the sand dunes, people come to visit the desert festival where tents are organized. People live in the desert area, not in the hotels. Desert area, tents are built and they live there. There are dances and music, folk dance and folk music of Rajasthan are organized, food items are organized and people stay there, enjoy that festival. It's a very famous festival in Rajasthan, the desert festival. Okay, coming to children, the Konark festival in Odisha. Now, Konark children is a sun temple. There is a sun temple in Konark in Odisha. We just show you the picture of sun temple, Konark, Odisha. Okay, children, sun temple. And this sun temple is very famous, very ancient temple where it is so said that the first rays of the sun fall in the temple and there also different programs are arranged and especially the Odissi classical dance is organized there. People all over the country they attend there and it's a beautiful place where the front side of the temple, the courtyard is used for different classical dance forms and especially the Odissi dance, that is the classical dance of the state of Odisha. Then we have children the Taj Mahotsav, Uttar Pradesh. You all know about Taj Mahal, that is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Many of you may have traveled and seen this Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal also, Taj Mahotsav is organized, different type of dance, music and also literary conferences and all these are held here. And people all over the world, as you know, many foreigners visit every year this Taj Mahal and this is organized by the state of Uttar Pradesh because Taj Mahal is in Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Ran Utsav of Gujarat, as even we have this Ran of Kutch as you know, that is white sand and beautiful to look at the moonlight night, and that is also organized around about the month of I think January, February it is organized, Ran Mahotsav, where again tents are organized, those folk music, folk dances, food items and all these things. People enjoy staying in that camp with campfire and moving around the white sand. It's a beautiful atmosphere which people enjoy in Ranotsav, which is in Gujarat. And lastly, children, the Hornbill Festival, which is organized in Nagaland, which you have in your book, children, this Hornbill Festival. This is a picture festival government Nagaland organizes. This is a festival where they have lot of, you can see lot of cultural program, dances, music, all type of things are organized which depict the cultural heritage of the state of Nagaland. So these are some of the important. There are many. Each and every state has its own way of highlighting its culture, and different programs, dance, music, even literally programs are also organized. People are taken around the state where those historical sites, or maybe some of the places which people like to enjoy. So these are our special festivals in India. Okay, so thus we know that different type of festivals are celebrated in our